Hey guys, it's Dr. Frank Arian. I know my American followers, they're complaining why I'm not speaking English in my videos. Today, I have a special for you. I'm going to introduce one of the Azerbaijani traditional food, which is called Abgush in Iran and Bozbash in Azerbaijan, brought by Dr. Frank Arian. That's what I'm talking about. First of all, this is my own recipe. Please do not judge me on that. I use beef and lamb mixed with bunch of vegetables and spices. Let's just see what we need for this, okay? This is all ingredient you need. You need a beef shank, lamb shank, chickpeas, white beans, turmeric, salt, saffron, paprika, sliced onions, bell pepper, sliced tomatoes, and sliced potatoes, and then 1 clove of garlic. First of all, you have to fry your meat. Nice. We cook everything with turmeric and saffron. Okay, now we're gonna add some turmeric and some saffron. Okay, now we are done with this part. We're gonna go to next step. Now we're gonna load this pot with all this ingredient layer by layer. Now this is ready. Look at this. We're gonna put on the fire and slowly cook it or simmer it. Before we put on the fire, we have to put add some water. Look at this. We're gonna put this on low fire and slowly cook it or simmer it. It's gonna take almost 5-6 hours. I'll put the cover over it. Yes. Associated with this menu, we need this salad. Look at it. Including from mint, basil, radish, green onions, and cilantro. Man, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Just look at it. Just look at it. That's unbelievable. That's fascinating. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's already ready. Look at it. Look at it. Now we're gonna transfer this to this bowl. Okay, guys, let me show you how you're gonna eat this food. Okay, first of all, we're gonna separate the meat from juice. We're gonna use this bread and then put it inside of the juice. Make it kind of like a soup kind of thing. And then we're gonna let actually kind of melt in it. And then we're gonna use the same bread, put some grain in it, mmm, onion. Very good, very good. See you around.